First, wash your hands with liquid antibacterial soap for at least 1 minute. Turn off the water using a paper towel rather than your clean hand. If there are any bubbles in the syringe, hold the syringe straight up and gently tap the syringe so that the air goes to the top, toward the tip, then push the plunger until the liquid reaches the top. Clean the cap on the end of one CVC lumen with a new alcohol swab for 30 seconds. Then let it dry for 30 seconds. Keep holding onto the cap after you clean it and until the syringe is attached. If you have to lay it down, it is now dirty and you will have to clean it again. Holding the syringe like a pencil, screw the syringe into the center of the cap. Push in the heparin using a pulsing motion. Clamp the catheter at the same time you are injecting the last 1/2 milliliter of heparin.